What if I told you the most profitable YouTube channels in 2026 won't show their face, won't use their own voice, and they're still earning more every month than most people make in an entire year? And the craziest part? Some of these channels don't film anything themselves. They use AI tools and smart niche selection to automate almost everything. Today, I'm breaking down 10 faceless YouTube niches that are exploding right now, and the ones that will dominate 2026. And trust me, niche number 8 is a complete goldmine that most creators haven't even discovered yet. Why most creators fail. Here's a hard truth. Most beginners don't fail because YouTube is too competitive. They fail because they choose the wrong niche. They pick topics with low demand, high competition, terrible RPMs, and almost no evergreen value. But the creators who win in 2026? They choose niches with high search demand, low creator saturation, and huge monetization potential. And the best part? You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive gear. You just need the right niche, plus the AI tools I'll link below. Let's get into the first niche. Niche number 1. Relaxation and ambient sounds. Relaxation sounds are one of the most reliable faceless niche all time, and they're still growing every single year. Think about how many people search for rain sounds for sleep, coffee shop ambiance, fireplace ambiance, thunderstorms for focus, why it works, evergreen content, extremely long watch times, works globally, ideal for automation and batching. Here's the secret the big channels use. They upload highly specific videos, not generic ones. Examples: heavy rain with distant thunder for deep sleep, cozy cafe ambiance with soft jazz music, camping tent rainstorm, 10 hours. AI tools that help. SoundRaw or AIVA for custom audio pictory/runway ML for looping visuals. Descript for seamless crossfades. This niche is a perfect starter niche if you want passive, evergreen videos that rack up views for years. Niche number 2. True crime. Storytelling. True crime is a monster niche, but most creators cover the same 20 cases over and over. The opportunity? Lesser-known mysteries, unsolved cases, local disappearances, cases that big channels never touch. Why this niche is unstoppable. Viewers binge-watch like Netflix. Insane average view duration, community-driven engagement, high CPM because of mature audience. And here's the twist. Faceless true crime channels perform just as well, sometimes even better, than face-on-camera storytellers. What you need. Well-structured storytelling, maps, timelines, photos, documents. Calm narration. AI voice works if done well. Tools to speed up production. ChatGPT for case summaries, 11 Labs for narration, Descript for timelines, Canva for simple visual storytelling. Stick around because niche number 8 is even more profitable than true crime. No one is talking about it yet. Niche number 3. Personal finance for Gen Z. This niche is about to dominate 2026. Why? Because most financial creators are over 30. But Gen Z wants simple, beginner-friendly, non-judgmental content about money. Topics that explode. How to invest with just $50. Side hustles that actually work. How to build credit from scratch. Student loan strategies. Crypto explained without hype. Why it's so profitable. High CPM, top-tier affiliate partners. Huge brand deal interest. Evergreen search demand. This niche can be done entirely with screen recordings, simple animations, text overlays, stock footage, no face or voice needed. Niche number 4. Historical mysteries. One of the fastest growing faceless niches is historical mysteries explained simply. This isn't conspiracy content. It's analytical storytelling that breaks down real historical events. Examples: lost civilizations, unexplained ancient discoveries, forgotten wars, strange historical coincidences. Why it works so well. Massive curiosity factor, high international appeal, educational, strong YouTube push. Perfect fit for faceless channels, easy visuals, maps, archival photos, AI-generated scenes, timelines. This niche allows you to build long videos with crazy retention. Niche number 5. Sustainable living. Sustainability content is trending globally, but what viewers really want is simple, practical advice. Examples: beginner zero waste tips, 3 sustainable swaps that actually save money. DIY recycling projects, eco-friendly product comparisons. Why it's so strong. Huge brand interest, high Amazon affiliate potential. Fast-growing audience visuals are super easy. Product B-roll, animations, DIY shots, step-by-step photos. Niche number 6, budget tech reviews. This niche is a goldmine because almost every tech creator focuses on high-end gadgets. But most viewers search for best phones under $200, best laptops under $500, affordable smart home devices, old versus new model comparisons. Why it works. Huge search demand, extremely high affiliate conversions, low competition in the budget tier, perfect for faceless videos. Just show product footage, screenshots, and comparisons. No face, no voice if you use AI narration. AI tools. Gling for auto editing, Descript for voiceovers plus captions. Niche number 7. Mental health for busy people. Mental health content is always popular, but the winning angle for 2026 is short, practical advice for real busy lives. Examples: 60-second breathing routines, micro habits that reduce stress, anxiety tools for work or school, productivity tips for burnout prevention. This niche is powerful because it attracts extremely engaged viewers. They watch multiple videos per session. Many apps and sponsors love this niche. Faceless videos work perfectly with calming visuals, simple animations, on-screen text. Niche number 8, emerging tech explained simply. This niche is exploding but still massively underserved. People want to understand artificial intelligence, blockchain robotics, VR and AR automation, how new tech affects everyday life, but they want explanations in simple language, not complex jargon. Videos that perform. AI explained in 60 seconds. How blockchain actually works. The future of jobs in a world with automation. Why VR will change education forever. Why this niche is insane. Tech audiences are massive, high CPM, tons of sponsorship opportunities. Very low competition for beginner-friendly content. Easy to make with animations and B-roll. If you want a niche with long-term potential, this is it. Niche number 9. Skills and hobbies that save or make money. This niche always performs well because it gives viewers instant value. Examples: woodworking projects anyone can make, budget cooking hacks, DIY home repairs, gardening for tiny spaces, craft projects with dollar store materials. Why it works. Everyday problems equals universal audience. Perfect for YouTube search, SEO. Affiliate products convert extremely well. Use time-lapse footage, step-by-step tutorials, before and after shots. Niche number 10, beginner financial literacy. This niche is huge because most people feel embarrassed about not understanding money. Your job is to make it simple, friendly, and non-judgmental. Videos that perform. How to budget if you've never budgeted. What a credit score really is. Simple investing explained with analogies. How to get out of debt step by step. Why it works. Appeals to all ages. High trust niche. High CPM. Huge opportunity for affiliate apps and tools. This is one of the safest, most evergreen niches on YouTube. The creators who succeed in 2026 won't be the ones with the best cameras or the perfect on-camera personality. They'll be the ones who pick the right niche. Use AI tools to scale and stay consistent long enough to dominate. Every niche in this video can be done completely faceless and in most cases, fully automated. The opportunity is massive, but only for the creators who start now. I linked the AI tools I personally recommend in the description, the same ones used by top faceless channels to automate up to 70% of their workflow. And if you want to shortcut the entire process, download your free 2026 Faceless Niche Starter Kit below. Now click the video on your screen to learn the exact workflow to build your first faceless YouTube channel from scratch. See you there.